how to create an eBay seller account. So unfortunately, I won't be able to show you a specific example on how to do so because it's not really available in my region. You can go ahead and visit eBay's UK website. So click on register, which will be found at the top left of the homepage. So you'll be able to start the process from here on. Now enter your details, your name, email address, and password. You're gonna have to verify your email address as well. Next, you can log into your eBay account once you finally signed up. You can set up your seller account, which is in the My eBay option. So it's at the top right of the page, and select selling from the drop down menu to access your seller dashboard and click on start selling. Similar to here, so just search for eBay in your preferred browser, and here, in the top right corner, you'll be able to see the sell option. You can automatically log in as a seller. So just go ahead and press list an item, and let's say we're gonna sell a cheeseburger. So just press continue, and you'll be led to the sign into your account. So if you do have your account logged in, it should lead you to the become a seller option. So you're gonna have to provide additional information for your seller account. So just go ahead and pause the video to really specify what you need. So a name for your store, description of your business or what you plan to sell, and more of that. So set up your shipping options, of course, which you'll be given the option to ship domestically or internationally. Then you can finally list your first item. So the product title, the description, photos, and price, and the payment method based on the price of your item and the shipping costs and subscription fees as well if you are subscribed. And finally, you're gonna have to ensure compliance with UK laws. So if you follow these steps, you should be fine. Now, if this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all. Thank you.